All right. So especially in through that right side, obviously very, very tight through the shoulder blades. It's interesting.
Feels worse now.
That, yeah, it's significantly more jammed up in through there. Can I get you to take a nice deep breath in and out? Same thing, breath in. Yes, you've got almost no rib excursion on the right side, whereas the left is at least moving. And then when you're feeling it, is it more almost along the spine or is it further out?
Along the spine, but like inside, if that makes sense. Like
Okay.
inside the shoulder blade.
Yep. I think so. So what I'm going to get you to do actually for me too is just bring that left arm straight out to your side here, so out in the air. If you go thumb down, I'm going to just give you some pressure down. Try and hold that up for me.
Oh god, oh shit.
Yeah, there's nothing there. And then if you go thumb up, same thing here. Better. Not good, but better. And then if I hold you just in through there, same thing. It gets you a bit better. So you get to relax in there. So we're just working along the tendons of the, that's going to be more rhomboids. Good. And then with that, I'll get you to bring that arm back out to your side over here and hold that up. Definitely stays, and then thumb up, then same. And then if you bring your arm up overhead, hold that up. And that's pretty solid. Good. You can just relax there. Gonna try and clean up in through the ribs on that right side next. So deep breath in. And then out. Get some. A little bit more higher up. Breath in. Out. Nice. Gonna bring it over here. And a breath in. Nice. And then one more here. Breath in. Oh, there we go. And then with that adjusted, I'm going to get you to take a couple breaths here for me. Out. Good, and we're seeing the ribs move on that right side. Wonderful. A little bit up in through the low back too. Do you feel it more on one side than the other?
No.
Okay. Left is tighter. And then I'm going to bend both your knees up here. Way better on that right side. Any pain, any pulling?
No.
Good. I'm going to get you from your hip to raise your right leg up as high as you can in the air. And then the other one. Maybe a hair better on the left, but pretty good on both. And hold me here, Stace. Could be better. Same thing, hold me here. Good. And then I'll switch you. Hold. No, both, okay. And then hold and hold. Good. So you get to relax there. And I'm going to get you to grab your elbow here. Good, good, good. And a breath in. Up. Nice. And then I'm going to get you turned facing the other way. Like even just laying like this, eh? Okay. So we'll keep you here long. Out. There we go. And then back face down for me. It was almost in the top of the shoulder? Oh yeah. Okay. It wasn't actually that hard to find. Just gonna see. There it is, breath in. Nice. And same thing here, breath in. Good. Good. That one I learned last week. I really like it.
Yeah.
Worked well. Yeah, that's happier in there. Still gonna take some work, but I'm also gonna free up the low back a bit before to get there. Good. All right. And then take your time. I'm going to get you face up when you're in. Definitely some tight spots in through the neck. Headaches lately? Okay.
That actually.
Yeah, that came a long way. And then you are still nice and tight through here. Try and breathe as best you can. Just let it all relax. Gonna get a little more into the muscles in through here. And then I'm going to bore that left arm. I'm going to bring you up. Palm's going to go out. And hold me there. I'm going to give you some pressure. Perfect. I'll have you keep that right there. I'm going to give you a gentle squeeze. Same thing. Holds. That breaks down pretty quickly. So you get that back. I'll have you take a deep breath in. Out. In. Keep breathing for me. Beautiful. And then we'll bore that left arm again. Perfect. Squeeze and hold. Bring both arms straight up in front of you. And then hold those up. I'm going to give you some pressure down. Good. I'm going to have you go thumbs down. I'm going to give you some pressure down again. Good. I'm going to try and push you out to the sides. Hold those in. And then I'm going to try and pull you up. Try and hold that down. Good. Now behind you. So traps themselves are still on the tight side, so I'm going to get just the percussor in there. Help them calm down. Pressure's doing okay there? Wonderful. round. Good. I'm going to go your right arm here, Stace. I'm going to bring you back. That's moving really well, and then I'm going to bring you up and back, and that's moving really well. Switch you here. Perfect. Good. Good. And then can you press straight up into me here? I'm going to give you some pressure down. Good. And then pull down into me. I'm going to try and lift you. Good. Same thing on the other side. And push up. And then pull down. Good. And you get that way. Good. That all seems fairly happy. Feel it out for me, let me know. Sort of good?
I think so.